So there is a question 20 which came in GATE 2016 in set 1. The question says match the items of group 1 with those in group 2 and choose the right combination. So this is the group 1, and in group 1 they have mentioned the activated sludge process, rising of sludge, conventional nitrification and the biological nitrogen removal. However, in the group 2 they have mentioned nitrifiers and denitrifiers, autotrophic bacteria and heterotrophic bacteria denitrifiers, and then we have to make a correct combination between group 1 and group 2, and they have given the 4 solution. Okay, so now coming back to the group 1 activated sludge process. So in activated sludge process, in ectotrophic substrate, it uses aerobic heterotrophic bacteria that uses organic compound as an energy and a carbon source for the synthesis. Okay, so in aerobic processes, it uses heterotrophic bacteria. Heterotrophic bacteria. So basically, coming to the question P3. So this is basically P with 3. Okay. Now coming to rising of sludge. Rising of sludge. So this was 1. Okay. So rising of sludge, it occurs in the secondary clarifier of the activated sludge part when the sludge settles to the bottom of the clarifier is compacted and starts to rise, and usually a result of denitrification. So basically it occurs in the secondary tank of activated sludge process. Okay, so what happens in the activated sludge process, secondary tank, a sludge which settles down at the bottom. So suppose this is so sludge which is settled down at the bottom, this starts rising due to the denitrification. So they starts rising. So they start going at the top. So there then they will form at the layer like this. So they start rising because due to denitrification. So here due to denitrification occurs, and due to denitrification the nitrogen gas which is formed, it takes the sludge moving away upward. So due to denitrification, the formation of nitrogen bubbles results in a rising of sludge, and this occurs due to denitrifier bacteria. So basically Q and 4. Okay. Now coming to third, that is conventional nitrification. So conventional nitrification, basically nitrification in which ammonia is converted to nitrite and then to nitrate. That is we call as conventional nitrification, and it is caused by the slow growth. It is caused by the autotrophic bacteria. Autotrophic bacteria is a slow growth rate. Okay, it is caused by the autotrophic bacteria. Okay, now third R2. Okay, now coming to the fourth, biological nitrogen removal. Biological nitrogen removal, basically what happens, initially nitrification occurs. So BNR, biological nitrogen removal, it is a sequential process in which initially nitrification occurs and then denitrification. So this is caused by the nitrifiers and the denitrification. So S1. Okay, now if you relate everything, P3, Q4, R2, R. So P basically was activated sludge process was caused by heterotrophic P3. Rising of sludge was caused by denitrifiers. Conventional nitrification is caused by autotrophic bacteria. Biological nitrogen removal is caused by nitrifiers and denitrifiers. 3, 4, 2, 1. So looking at the options, option A is correct. So again, I will explain. In activated sludge process, heterotrophic bacteria dominates, and because it depends upon the organic compounds. Okay, and the organic compounds are degraded by the heterotrophic bacteria in the activated sludge process. In case of rising of sludge, it occurs in a secondary sedimentation tank due to denitrification. Because of denitrification, nitrogen gases are formed, which results in a rising of sludge. In case of conventional nitrification, nitrification basically means ammonia is oxidized to nitrite and further oxidized to nitrate. So it is caused by the autotrophic bacteria. Okay. So two groups of autotrophic bacteria, that is ammonia is oxidized to nitrite, is caused by the nitrosomonas, and nitrite to nitrate is caused by nitrobacter. In case of biological nitrogen removal, it is achieved by the sequential nitrification. Nitrification occurs under the aerobic condition, and where the denitrification occurs under the anaerobic condition. Okay. So BNR, for BNR it is nitrifiers and the denitrifiers. So option A is correct.